Erica with Harmony Home Medical, and like Harmony Home Medical, I'm here to help. So now let's take a closer look at the portable scooter. This is one of our most popular rentals and sales. It's because they're so handy and can fit into the back of most cars or SUVs. So for driving a scooter, you control it from the tiller. You push on the throttle here to move forward. If you have better dexterity in one hand or the other, you can push or pull. So you could do just the right side or just the left side if you wanted to control it, both forward and back. For our speed, we have turtle through rabbit to control what speed we go. Scooters generally go from 0 to about 4.5 miles per hour. You'll also have your horn, not super loud, but good enough to let people know that you're coming or that you need to back up, maybe if you're in a grocery store, so people can move out of your way. We also have a light switch. This will be on one side or the other of the tiller, and it's really important to use that at night, as well as a flag for safety in the day. I always recommend that if you're going to be using curb cutouts and going across intersections, it's a good idea to put a flag on your scooter. And now for disassembling, we'll take the scooter and remove the seat first. And always disengage or turn your scooter off. So we push the seat back down and simply lift up. The seat's removed, no button or trigger to push, just lift it straight up. Same with the battery box, whether it's a 2-part battery or a smaller battery, you just pull right up. On the larger portable scooters, they do come sometimes now with 2 split battery boxes. So you would just pull up on one and then pull up on the other. Then for our body and motors here, we have a lever right here. Just pull up on that and move the body away from the motors. And it's that simple. You can bring the tiller down with this handle here, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and you can re-tighten it down here to use it as a handle for picking up your scooter. So a lot of people will pick up from here and here. You also have this little button down here. So this front tiller swivels like this. If it makes life easier to twist this into the disengage, you can also do that. That allows it to not swivel back and forth. You can always engage that so you can lift it up a little easier. But you'll have to disengage it to drive so you can turn. So that's our scooter. You can put the parts on top of each other together, battery on top of the floorboard here to make it fit in your vehicle. And then we'll go back into putting it back together. So putting it back together, we loosen the tiller again. This also, it's not only for up and down, it's also for angle when you drive. So set that at whatever angle you or the person using the scooter is most comfortable driving from, further or closer to them. Then we go and bring the body of the scooter back over the motors. You'll have hooks. There's hooks right here. Some scooters have yellow tape or red tape to mark where they land on the bar. And you just put it over the bar and let it click into place. So with scooters, you don't have to re-engage this handle. That's only for taking it off. And then when you go to put it back on, it just drops in place. Then our battery, same thing. When you put this on, you just drop it back where it came out of. Sometimes you can give it a little angle the bottom back to let it drop into the box a little easier. And if not, you can just drop it in and give it a wiggle and it'll drop right down to its housing. And then the chair, just look for your seat post and line it up with the receiver. And then it drops right in. The seats have the handy swivel bar. So if you drop the seat in backwards or to the side, you can just pull that to bring it back to the front. So that makes it handy to be able to go up to a table and just turn your chair around and not have to get up to eat, or to transfer out to the side. Maybe you have a cane or a ledge you can hold on to get out easier. So the swivel is great for that. And then we have the freewheel lever that allows the chair or the scooter to go into neutral. So we push that forward. All scooters will have one of these. One will disengage the motor. So scooters only have one motor. So you can put that into neutral and push that if you ran out of batteries or you needed to move your scooter in a tight space. But to drive it, always must be engaged in drive mode. So that's about it on our portable scooters. You can add things like baskets in the back, flags like I mentioned, and if you'd like us to help you pick out the one that's perfect for you or your loved one, call us at the number below or come in and see us. Thanks for watching.